To everybody. Some people have been asking me the question, what is Wox Launcher? Wox Launcher is a program. It's actually a really cool app for your computer that lets you launch programs and files super quickly. It's like having your own personal rocket ship for your computer. With Wox Launcher, you can just type in what you're looking for and it will instantly show you all the relevant programs and files on your computer. No more digging through folders and menus to find what you need. It's like magic. So guys, you can see here is the download link for Wox Launcher. You can download it here. So guys, thanks for watching.